Now you might be wondering to yourself, what the bridging you do? How am I deal with the cement bag so? And how am go from doing that to doing this? If you want to find out, stick around and watch the rest of the video. Remember the bridging? Alright, if you don't remember him is the youth who can bark the coconut with his mouth. He don't have to use a machete, he don't have to use a knife. His mouth alone. Yeah man, a chunk teeth then call him man. See me again too. Let me see him one man. Doing what he do best.
That man is not from Jamaica.
And that brings us back to this bridging. Yeah man, the one that like is a fake karate master. You know what I'm up to? Really people, you know what I think? Right here so you know like my warm up to do something special. Girth up the back like you must say, yo, now get me stronger today. See there? My balance off the cement in my back like why am I about to? I'm tenderize you know. Like a meat him out to cook. Right, yeah. Right, see back to the fake karate master style. Breaking bricks. And then you hear him say this.
Nah, put it on time. I can't go over there and come back.
So him say I carry it go over there so. You're not supposed to too hard. Him like a strong enough brother. But then look how him carry it. Papa Jesus, we find chant teeth, brother. Thick teeth.
Bagay tier na, bagay tier. Put it in. Bagay tier.
Go on, go on.
Thanks for watching Last Beach 365, and if you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified of future videos.